All right, guys, I got the Xtool F1. We're gonna do an unboxing, see what's all in it, my initial thoughts, and my plans on what I want to do with this laser on the channel. So let's get right into it. All right, full disclosure on this one. Xtool did send this to me at a discount. I do have an affiliate link in the description. I do get a small kickback on that. So again, full disclosure on that. Okay, so I have to say right off the bat, I mean, the packaging is freaking awesome. I mean, I'm an Apple fan and I like good packaging, and F1 knocked it out of the park. I mean, you have all the pictures on the back of, what it can do. Come around to the other side, just green, that's okay. You got a full picture on the front, but the whole design is clean. And I know all right, well, that doesn't have anything to do with the laser, but here's my thing. If they put that much time into the packaging, then guess what? I think that, the laser itself is gonna be freaking awesome, because believe you me, I've seen some companies where they just throw it in a box and say, here you go. So, all right, let's sit this back here. All right, we got this tearaway tab to open it. And first off, we got the manual. I mean, that's a decent manual right there. I mean, of course, different languages and whatnot, but I mean, it's full color. I like that. Pictures. Very cool. I mean, I'm pretty savvy when it comes to setups and stuff, but I mean, pictures definitely help out for sure. So I like that. I mean, that's nice for sure. Hefty manual, and that it's got, I mean, look at all the languages there. I mean, English, Spanish, Japanese, I mean, you name it. I mean, they got it all. All right, there we go. Dang, I ain't joking with that. Look at that. Heck yeah. Boom. Again, I mean, the packaging is freaking awesome. Again, I mean, packaging is freaking awesome. The green. And looks like that's it. And the laser itself, make sure we've got everything. Again, I mean, the foam insert, so it's protected during shipping for sure. So, all right, we'll do that last. First box. Well, I can't read that, but we'll figure out what that is. Oop. Trying not to hit the camera. Okay, so first box, we got the hose for the exhaust. I believe this is the safety key. You have to have that to run the laser. And again, some type of, I don't know, grease, gel, I don't know. We'll see exactly what that is. Next up, looks like a material pack and the cut tray, metal. I'm not going to open this just yet, but I mean, right off the bat, it looks like maybe some slate, got some wood, some anodized metal, possibly some acrylic. So yeah, we'll definitely take a look at that here in a second. All right, like our power pack and power cable. Okay. All right, and the laser itself. All right, there it is. Pretty cool. I mean, the handle, I mean, nicely secured. You got your stop, your emergency stop. On that side, you have your focus knob, and it looks like maybe like power inputs there. I have to see exactly what that is. Maybe that's, yeah, for the computer to hook up to. All right. Let's see here. You got this tape on. I mean, I feel like they did a good job of making sure that everything's secure. You know, between the amount of foam, tape and everything, so that's nice. Okay, oh, here we go. Another one, and one on this side. Okay, there we go. More foam. Okay, you got the metal base plate. It's removable. Let's see if I can get this out. There it goes. Okay, little L bracket. Okay, that's it. There. That's it there. So, okay. So you can kind of see, you got the lens cap there. The fan, or the I guess the extraction fan, the exhaust fan. Yeah, there we go. I'll get it right. The exhaust fan, and like I said, the removable plate, so you can engrave whatever on this, or you can remove it and set the machine on, you know, a table, like a big old cutting board, right in the middle of it, engrave on it. The L bracket, where you can screw it down, you know, get everything lined up for repeatability. Let's see. Let's take that plate out. There we go. Okay, so that's bigger than the plate, so I guess you'll have to have that plate and you just put that on top. So, okay. But I mean, still nice. I mean, all right, let's see. All right, that slides up and down. From what I understand, it's like this, you know, certain color plastic or coating that is safe to look at the laser while it's down. You know, I think either way, you still want to do your best to keep your eyes safe regardless. But, you know, you can't operate the machine while it's open, but that's what it's there for. I understand that, you know, if you have like a cutting board or stuff, then you'll have it open a little bit, or like a tumbler. Then it's not going to be 100% covered, but, you know, definitely get the appropriate, you know, eye protection for sure, you know, on that. So let's see exactly how big this thing is. I mean, it's not big at all. So we're talking like 7 inches wide, 6-7 inches wide. The depth on it, I mean, with the handle and, you know, the exhaust fan there, you know, like 9.5, 10 inches. And the height, you know, about 13, give or take, with the handle. So I mean, this thing is great for, you know, inside the house, on a desk. I mean, in your shop, garage. I mean, you can put this thing anywhere. So, I mean, initial impressions, I mean, the thing is small, it's compact, you know, but I mean, the real test, guys, is going to be, what is this thing capable of doing? And that's definitely going to be something that we're going to be talking about going forward, and what we can do with this laser and make some really cool stuff. Because I know you've seen plenty of videos with the CO2 laser that I have, but I know not everybody has the space for that. I mean, if you're in an apartment, or you know, and you're next to a window and you can you know, you can vent it out, you know, just a small space, this is going to be perfect. But again, this isn't an initial review. This is just an unboxing, my initial thoughts. I mean, package is on point. You know, the machine looks freaking awesome. So I'm definitely excited to see what I can do with this and the things that I can make that maybe might not be great to do on a CO2 laser. You know, I mean, this is a diode hybrid, so it has a infrared laser and the diode, the blue light galvo laser. So you're gonna get a lot better engraving on something like this than, in my opinion, the big old laser over there. You know, so we'll see. We'll see. So, hey guys, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe so that you get notifications on the new videos coming out featuring the F1 Xtool. Again, links in the description if you want to check out Xtool for yourself.